Hi, my name is Jeff Thomas with Team Glue. What this video is going to show you how to do is actually how you go about the process of learning. We're going to cover how learning starts, how you keep building knowledge, and how eventually you become a master at everything you try to do. So, learning starts the moment you come from the womb. It's kind of like a tower of knowledge, which we have right over here. You start at the womb, you start learning motor skills, language skills, then you make it to school. You go to kindergarten, you learn this colors, alphabet, how to do math. You keep going through elementary school, middle school, high school. Eventually you get to college. The tower gets harder to build. It gets shakier and shakier. You keep on adding layers. Learning goes faster and faster. You might be missing more and more steps. And eventually the tower is going to get really high and start, if you make any mistakes, it's going to start to crumble, fall. Of course, what leads to having a much stronger study tower is proper study habits. Poor study is going to ruin a tower faster than anything else. Once you start missing knowledge and you start trying to learn new material on top of old knowledge that you're already missing, you're going to keep trying to learn, and studies going to get harder and harder, your grades are going to start to slip, and graduation is going to become much harder. Over the next few videos, what we're going to show you is exactly a few simple steps that you can take, a nice easy 3-step process that'll actually change the way you study and give you a simple, easy to follow path to get the grades you're looking for. If you look at the link below, it'll show you it'll subscribe you to our series so the videos will come right to your inbox. Sign up now and we'll show you how you can make your tower super strong by using glue between each layer so nothing ever falls over. It'll get you graduation ready and make it so you're nice and ready to graduate. Sign up today and we'll get you graduated.